Hey, what's up? This is George Shamoun, and in this live stream, I want to go over some questions and answers. And make sure you submit your question, and I will answer you now on the live. And if you're gonna be watching the replay in the future, also you can submit your question, and I can answer you. I want to welcome you to this stream. If you're joining, submit your name or where you tuning in from. I'm coming to you live from the U.S. state of South Dakota, to be more specific, from the town of Sioux Falls. So let me know where you're tuning in from if you're joining, and make sure you submit your questions in the bottom in the comment box so I can answer them. And make sure you join and you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I want to grow this channel over 100 or 1,000, and I need your help. And in return, I will help you answering your questions. And if you're interested in sending me a message via my contact form, I placed the website URL in a comment box, and you can also book a free call to discuss your projects, how to make a site, how to get started. So let me know if you're interested, and make sure you subscribe this channel, obviously, after you see my presentation. And if you think I'm gonna be able to help you and my channel is a perfect fit for you, just subscribe. So again, my name is George Shamoun, and I started recently making websites, and I want to help you in case you want to DIY your website. So it's not that difficult. It's you don't have to be a coder. You can use website builders. A lot of them are drag and drop. So there is no need to worry about programming like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So yeah, you can use a drag and drop. You don't have to learn programming. Myself, I've been learning HTML and CSS for the last couple years, and now I started with JavaScript. It's not easy. I nailed down the basics, but it's not that simple, you know. So yeah, if you have any questions, submit it in a comment. We're talking about making websites, and I can answer you now on this live stream. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, so I'm gonna grow it and make more videos. And I wanna help you when it comes to coding web pages and making websites. So let me know where you're tuning in from. Just enter the country or the city or where you are. I'm coming to you live from the U.S. state of South Dakota in Sioux Falls, from Sioux Falls. Hey, how you doing, Michael? Michael Myers, 8899. Where are you tuning in from, Michael? Drop it in a box and submit your questions if you have any question. Hey, okay, Ohio, yeah, you're not too far from here. Yeah, what's going on? Are you interested in learning? Do you have any questions about making websites? Let me know if you have any question, if you're interested in making your own website or you need help. I'm here to answer your questions. So, did you heard about Candy's pages? Candy's method? I'm not sure what you mean, to be honest with you. Do you know Jordan? But no, I don't know those people, no. So yeah, if I'm here to help you if you have any question about making websites, so I can answer you, whether you want to know about domain name, web hosting, website themes, templates. I can help you with that. And I own a site now and use Shopify, but I am not in live with it. It's there. Better commerce group to use. Yeah, CM, yes. Shopify is great. To be honest with you, I never used it before, but it's the best when it comes to e-commerce. If you can afford it, if you're making money, and Shopify is the best. And if you know how to use it, you know, and it's great for e-commerce, and you can sell a lot of items. And they got, from what I hear, they have applications for anything you want to do on Shopify, but the price is high, so you have to have a business that's generating money. If you're making money, you can afford it, that's fine, you know. But myself, I'm talking about websites made like the easy one, the simple ones, like self-hosted. If you're using a self-hosted website, and then you get your own domain, and you use the website builder of the web host, it's very easy. It's much easier than Shopify. But Shopify is the best when it comes to e-commerce. What do you mean, CM? You're not optimized yet? I'm use, I'm trying to use multiple platforms, but I am not optimized yet. What is your intention? What are you trying to do? Maybe I can help you. What's your intention? What do you want your website to do? Are you gonna be selling physical product or digital product like PDF files? Or are you coach? You wanna coach? You wanna teach? What you wanna do? It depends what you wanna do. You may not need so many platforms. I wholesale lights to consumers. Lights, you mean like light bulbs? It's all drop shipped. Yeah, in this case, yeah, Shopify I think is the best. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whenever you have a running business, it's all drop ship. Yeah, I think Shopify is the best. So I never used it, but I'm aware it's one of the best e-commerce because they have all kind of applications, and they take care of the back end. And but it depends. If you wanna make customization, then you'll need. I don't know how advanced you are, if you know programming, or if you can customize your Shopify store. But in case you need customization, then you can have to hire a web developer. But they got it works out of the box. You don't have to make any changes to it. So yeah, I mean, e-commerce, Shopify is the best. So I would use Shopify at one point if I want to sell physical product. I mean, you can sell digital product too, but the Shopify is better than for physical product. Like for digital products, like it's overkill. It's overqualified for selling digital products. So. Yeah, what's your experience with them? You like the platform, and is it easy to use when it comes to Shopify? How long you've had it? So yeah. Also, you have WordPress and certain e-commerce plugins. That too, you can use that too, but you need the programmers and web developers to make the integrate the applications. So yeah. Any other questions? Anybody have a question? I only do 30 to 30 retail a month. 1 year in, I second more ad work. Wow, that's great. I saw more on AdWorks than I do on Shopify, honestly. Oh, you rely on paid ads. Yeah, I mean, you have to use paid ads because organic traffic takes forever nowadays because there are a lot of competition. I mean, that's a good amount, 30 to 50K. I think that's a lot of money. A month, 1 year in, I saw and more AdWorks than I do on Shopify. Yeah, so you do like digital product, you get involved in pay-per-click advertisement. Yeah, yeah. You see, it depends what you want your website to do. It depends. My recommendation to start at the level where you are, and you start going up. At your level, you're making money, this kind of money. I mean, you have to have Shopify store. I mean, there are other uh, platforms like WordPress, but it needs a lot of integration. WordPress is great, but the plugins and the once you start integrating plugins, things become hairy. But what's nice about Shopify, they take care of the back end, just like Squarespace, Wix, and Weebly. Those are nice, but they're expensive. But for me, because I'm not making money yet, so I'm just starting anew. Yes, Sam, are you one of my subscribers? Make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can talk more about e-commerce, website building, and you seem to be knowledgeable in a field. Yeah, what else? Anybody else have a question about making websites the simple way without any coding? I mean, at one point, okay, thank you. Yeah, great. I'm glad you subscribed, CM. Yeah, I mean, it depends what you need your site for and at what level you need it. So, yeah, myself now, I have a simple website, georgekcwebservices.com, and I host it with Hostinger. And I use a shared hosting. They have a lot of options, even for e-commerce, you can integrate payments, and they're good and they're very cheap. I got the shared hosting plan, and I have the domain name with them. So, but obviously you can direct your domain name anywhere you want. But yeah, I like it because it's very cheap, and I'm using it as a training ground. I use some. I use the website builder. It's a drag and drop. Even though I can add like codes to it. Even though I'm using the drag and drop, but I can inject code in a web page like HTML, CSS, even JavaScript. But JavaScript I know a little bit, not much. So. Anybody else have a question about making a website, or questions about the platform, domain name, web hosting, e-commerce? And I don't know much about e-commerce, but that's a whole subject by itself. Hey guys, if you're joining us now, submit your questions if you're interested to know about making a website yourself, or even if you want to hire somebody. And submit your questions about what you need to know about making a website. If you're interested to make your own website, whether it's about domain name, web hosting platforms, just submit and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I want to grow it and make more videos and make more live streams. So, yeah, anybody else have a question? I mean, people come in and out. So. Yeah, I'm enjoying those live because they're much easier than making a whole video. I'm not good when it comes to editing. It's not that simple for me. So I'm finding this easier, especially the cell phone. Using the this app. Anybody else have a question? Okay, guys. I guess nobody else is around to submit questions, and maybe I'll make a live video tomorrow too around this time to see if you have any questions. And yeah, make sure even if you're on the yes, CM, do what I did. Give yourself a 19-year-old, they can Edit. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, yeah. But the thing is, I have a lot of videos on my channel, about now 190, I think, and I haven't been getting subscribers, and that's why I don't want to invest in video editing. But I should be doing that at one point. So. Yeah, I just want to make sure I nail down my topics. And now I think I'm going to focus on talking about website building because I'm learning it myself. So I will have to check them out. Yeah, that would be great. Thanks. Yeah, I have a lot, but they're like long time ago. I used to make videos about using Linux commands. They're still on the channel. I didn't remove them, but now I'm, going towards the website making and web pages because I'm learning it now. I mean, I've been learning for the last 2 years web development and. Now I know HTML, CSS, and I'm starting with the JavaScript. So this is why I'm focusing on, because the more I make videos, the more I learn myself. So color schemes, any input on best practices, color schemes. Yeah, the color schemes, like for videos for web pages, my site is kind of boring. You know what? You can, CM, you can submit your URL. I can check it out to see if I have any input about it, if you like. Check it out. You can submit your URL. I can check it right now on my laptop if you want me to. So, let me see. What's your website URL? Okay, let me see. Okay, did you submit your URL somewhere? I don't know if I can. All right, so. Oh, it's not showing up, you're saying? Let me see, maybe it's on the top? No, not on the top. No, let me see. I mean, you can let me know what's the URL. I can type it here. What's your URL? Oh, style lighting dot shop. Okay, let me see. Style lighting dot shop. Okay. All right. Let's see. This is the one. Let me. Do you see? That's the one, right? Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice website. I like it. It's a full-blown e-commerce website. Very nice. It's nice. I like it. I mean, I wouldn't, to be honest with you, I wouldn't change anything. It's very nice. Did you hire somebody or you did it yourself? Yeah, I would just leave it the way it is. If you're selling and I mean, you're making money out of it, you're making good money, and it looks good to me, it's a great site. Yeah, and those take a lot of work and they cost a lot of money to build. And once you build it, you don't want to change it if it keeps working. I have a 19-year-old that's I hit the drop of high school. Looking prior. Yeah, that's a nice website, and you have the chat box here. Yeah, this is what I like about Shopify. It's the best e-commerce platform. I don't think there's any another better platform. The way they integrate applications and the way they yeah, it's the best. I mean, there are other e-commerce platform, but if you're doing a lot of business and it looks like you have a lot of business, a lot of items, so this is the best. Shopify is the best. So, guys, if you're on this live stream, submit your questions about making websites and make sure you subscribe to the channel because I want to grow it and I want to keep making more videos and I want to help people with making websites, whether it's a simple website, you want to code it, you want to use a drag and drop website builder, and I can look at your website if you want me to you know, to shine my input. Yeah, but CM, your site is great. I would not change it. Yeah, I would not change it. It's nice. I might buy some light bulbs from your store at one point. I'm kind of bookmark it. It's a good site. Do you have an email list that I think you have one? Yeah, let me see. Because I got a pop-up when I loaded the website. Let me see. Secure payment, reward program, quick, free shipping on order. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice business, light bulbs, selling light bulbs. Yeah, so yeah, guys, welcome to this live stream. Whether you're on this live stream now or you're gonna be viewing the replay in the future, I want to welcome you and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos and for to start the conversation. I can help you with making simple websites using self-hosted web hosting and drag drop website builder. It's a good commodity. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it is. It is a good commodity. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, and now people like everybody is online. Nobody wanna go to the store anymore. So that's good. I like the idea. Do you have other websites, or that's the only website you have? Anybody else have a question? Please submit it in a comment, and and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're interested in learning about making websites, and if you want me to help you answer some questions. This is easy to literally, if you order the manufacturer ships it. Okay, sure. I guess that's what they call the drop shipping, right? That's yeah, yep, yep. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I like it. I like the site. And you have a lot of items on it, which is good. So yeah, at one point I'd like to have an e-commerce store and a website, maybe Shopify, or I'm thinking of using Squarespace. But Squarespace, I don't think they have what Shopify had. They don't have the application and they're not a full-fledged e-commerce like Shopify, you know. So, and they're not cheap. That's the problem, you know. I like Squarespace, but Shopify is you know, is great. But I don't have any physical item to sell yet. But from what I hear, you can sell digital item coaching, anything you want. It doesn't have to be only physical items, you know. So. Yeah, that's what's good about the drop shipping, you know. I mean, you sell the product, somebody else, you know, will distribute it and, you know, ship it, which is good, you know. Yeah, definitely, yeah. So that makes sense, yeah. Yeah, I like it. Good luck with it. Yeah, keep it up. Keep the good work, you know. So, anybody else have any questions about making a website, what platform you should use? Whether you want to use self-hosted, whether you want to use hosted websites like Shopify, Squarespace, Weebly, Wix. All of these are good platforms. But if you're starting new and you're not making money yet, it's uh, it's good to get a cheap one once you start, you know. So, what's your opinion on vodka? We're talking about e-commerce websites now, you know. I'm not sure if you can sell alcohol online and shipping. I don't know the rules, you know. So, yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so we'll grow it beyond 100 and 1,000, you know, and submit your questions if you have any question about making websites, and let me know what you like to learn about. So next time I make a live video, probably tomorrow I'll make a live video. Let me know what you like to know about, you know. Okay, so I yet to figure out how to add reviews to the item pages and have no idea how to do that. Oh, reviews. I mean, can I buy reviews? I wouldn't recommend buying reviews, CM, because you don't want anything to be faked. You know, you have a beautiful website, and all what you have to do some marketing. You know, uh, so yeah, you don't have to buy review. There is no need for it. And reviews comes from people who buy and who are satisfied with your service. Then they can give you reviews. And most people who buy, they don't provide reviews. You know, most people, because if you look in on Amazon and other shopping sites, every time you see like 100, 1,000 items sold, you'll see very few reviews, maybe like 2% or 3%, you know. So, yeah, don't do anything which shows you're doing something faked or forcing things on people, you know. So, let things take time. Organic growth is the best, you know, and you're making sales, so it's great, you know. So, anybody else have a question? Unless they are angry, no one will review my stuff. Yeah, yeah. Well, some people are happy to provide a review, but I wouldn't ask for reviews, to be honest with you. If you're confident you have good product, which you have good products, and you're making good business out of it, I would not ask. There is no need for it. You don't need it. You know, you have an established business and sales are going on, so there is no need for that. You know, so. Yeah, anybody else have a question? Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This way you'll help me grow it, and this way I'll make more videos and I will help you more, you know. So, and also submit your question. I can answer you now live, you know. So, I mean, even if you're on the replay, I will answer you too, you know, but I don't know how soon. But right now I can just read it and give you an answer. I will stop dominating your chat now and let other ask. No, that's fine. You're okay, CM. Thanks for your time and thanks for your comments or your opinion and sharing your information, your website. You know, that's very interesting. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I mean, people can add comments if they want, even if you're adding comments. You know, there's no problem. Yeah. Anybody else have any questions about making websites or? What tools to use, how to get started. Or if you wanted to look at your website to give you an idea what I think about it, about the design and the options you have, and I'll give you my opinion. I may not be an expert, but I can give you some opinions, what I think. You know, it's good to have another set of eyes on your product or website. You know, so. Anybody else? I guess no more questions coming in. Okay, guys, I guess I'm gonna wrap it up. If you don't have anything else to ask or there's nothing else to talk about, you know, uh, I want to thank you so much for stopping by, for spending your time with me, and make sure you subscribe and submit questions so I can help you. And you'll be encouraging me to make more videos because this way I know I'm not talking to myself. So thank you very much, whoever stopped by. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for sharing your opinions. And maybe tomorrow I'll make another one, but make sure you subscribe and submit questions so I can answer them tomorrow. Okay, have a good night, guys. Okay, thank you, Siam. Yes, go ahead. Please watch him and make sure you share my channel. If you think it's interesting, share it with others too. You know, so I'm trying to grow the channel. All right, thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.